Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this shower head filter with minerals. This works on the hydro shower heads. It is a pressurized vortex turbo fan. These do come with a replacement pack of 6. Alright, so right here we have our replacement shower head filters for hard water. These ones are BPA free. They're food grade material to ensure that showers water safety and cleaning. You can enjoy a fresher shower experience. So the ones that I have before were just the filters itself. This one does have the beads inside of it. So this is my old one that I have been using for about 2.5–3 weeks now. You can see it's completely disgusting. This is what our water produces. So with the beads, it does have the red mineral stones, the gray balls, and it also has the white energy balls. So these help clean out the water. This is fully compatibility with any shower head. So you can hear it does have the balls inside there. It helps to remove the odor from water, removes all the smell of chlorine and unpleasant odors. It helps repair your hair, rejuvenates damaged hair, makes it softer and smoother. It protects your skin, prevents dry, and gives a better feeling for sensitive skin. Baby health care is perfect for young children, babies, and older people. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on so it does not restrict the flow of my water. This is what my shower head is. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you can see that it's not restricting my water flow. As you can see that it's not restricting the water flow. My water is super clean. I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one has the 5-stage filtration. It's keeping your hair and skin safe from impurities. Internal filtration layer. It absorbs all harmful substances such as chlorine, pesticides. It's got a 0.2 micron pore size, which is a double BP cotton filter, which removes out 99.99% of rust, heavy metals, and other impurities. I would highly recommend checking this one out, especially if you're looking for other filters for your shower head.